are perfectly imperfect. So maraming bagay na wala sa'yo, maraming bagay or traits, qualities na wala sa'yo. And that's okay. Kasi you have so much good qualities na pwede mong i-share and provide sa iba, sa surroundings mo, sa environment, sa ibang tao. And since you are perfectly imperfect, there are other people na perfectly imperfect din, tulad ko, na can fill in yung gap ng pagiging perfectly imperfect mo. So probably you're 90% perfect, you have 10% missing, then the other person can fill the 10% to make you both perfect.